Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by plugging in an external drive or mapping a network share so Windows can write backups. This prevents mid-process failures. Next, open Settings and navigate to Storage, then Advanced Storage Settings, and select Backup options to access controls. Once there, pick File History if you want file-level versioning versus a system image for full OS restore. Choose based on whether you need individual file recovery or complete system rollback, because the method changes later steps. Now you configure specifics. Enable file history and select the connected drive, then set how often snapshots run and how long versions are kept, because that balances storage use with recovery points. If you need a full system image, open Control Panel, go to Backup and Restore Windows 7, and create a system image to capture the entire OS and apps. Also, exclude non-essential large folders and check the backup size estimate to make sure your target drive has sufficient space. You start the backup and watch progress. Let it finish before disconnecting the drive so the archive remains consistent. Once done, verify integrity by restoring a small file or mounting the image as a virtual drive to inspect contents. This confirms recoverability. If something fails, check basics first: drive format and free space, NTFS permissions, and whether Windows Update or disk errors interrupted the process. Then retry or run chkdsk. That quick check often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.